Hi, my name is Paul Sanders from Caption Data, and the purpose of this short video blog is just to show you how effective the HygroNet remote monitoring system for water damage properties can actually be in optimizing and reducing your drying cycle time. What we can see here, I'm sure it happens an awful lot within the field, but this is an actual real job that the HygroNet was deployed onto. And if I just take you through the data that's actually on the screen, we can see a number of trends. These trends are actually presented in real time to our secure web bureau, which you can access at any time just to view the data right up to the minute. So what we can actually see here is the green trend, which is actually the ambient humidity on this water damage loss. Okay, we can see the key here, and again this is available all through a standard web browser. We can see the ambient humidity jumping up and jumping down. Okay, we can see the in-depth humidity, or the ERH, equilibrium relative humidity probe on the sensor. We can start to see that the value actually tried to come down at the beginning of the drying cycle. So this is sort of 1 to 2 days. This is actually using a refrigerant dehumidifier, and if they're not actually switched on for 1 or 2 days, they become very less efficient. They need to be switched on for 24/7 for them to really perform to the best of their abilities. So as you probably guessed, what's happening here is the dehumidifier is actually being switched on and off every day. And in this instance, if we actually sort of zoomed in on the data here, where we see the ambient humidity rise, it's around about the sort of 8 or 9 o'clock. Okay, it's a little bit earlier this night. It's around about the sort of 8 o'clock that night. So we can see every single day the dehumidifier is being switched off by the policyholder. Now, of course, what the water damage technician would always have in their armoury is perhaps an hour's run meter on the dehumidifier itself, if it is indeed fitted to the dehumidifier. But in this case, what could happen is just within a few clicks, through his web browser, he can share this data to the insurer, to the policyholder, and he can get that drying cycle back on track. So without this, it would be very difficult and far less powerful to convey exactly what's happening on that loss, and again in real time. So please visit the captiondata.com website. We have a number of testimonials and application notes that can show you how the HygroNet has been successfully used in these sort of jobs. Or feel free to call the office. It's +44 1905 754 078. Thanks for listening.